All right, let's tackle a common puzzle in S4/HANA, connecting your embedded EWM system. It's a great question, right? If EWM is in S4HANA, what's with this whole connection thing?
The answer really lies in its history. You see, EWM was originally built to be separate. So even though it's inside the same box, it keeps that logical separation from the ERP parts.
And just like two departments in one building, they need an official way to communicate to get work done.
That communication is handled by something called a logical system. Think of it like a unique address. For an embedded setup, you actually need two, a main one for ERP and a dummy for EWM. Okay, so how do we build this bridge? Let's check out the essential one-time setup steps.
It's a 5-step process. You define the logical systems, assign the client, and then set up communications.
And here's a nice little shortcut in the RFC setup. You can just tick Current User. The real magic happens when you run this specific program. It sets up the RFC destination for you. And how do you know it worked? Easy. You'll see new entries pop up in this specific table. Okay, one last mandatory step, and this one's crucial. You have to activate a business function.
So, the connection is built, but how does data move now compared to the old decentralized way?
Well, the biggest change is that the core interface, or CIF, is totally gone. It's direct now.
Remember, with decentralized systems, you had to create and then activate integration models to push data.
But with embedded EWM, that whole application is gone. It makes things so much more seamless.
All right, so let's recap the key things you absolutely need to remember from all this.
So now you've got the blueprint for embedded EWM connectivity. What will you build with it?